You're watching Rhymals, where animals sing, rhyme, and shine.
In the jungle, big and wide, little Ricky runs with pride, stomping, jumping, full of cheer, splashing puddles far and near, rolling, tumbling in the sand, making shapes with his big hand. Mud is fun, oh yes indeed. Ricky's world is wild and free. Birds all chirp and sing along as he hums his happy song. Butterflies dance in the sky, Ricky waves as they pass by, under sunshine warm and bright.